Siyempre, kilalanin natin ating dalawang bisita. Unahin natin si Ma'am. Ma'am, introduce yourself. What is your name and where are you from po?
I'm Florence and Kate Panyanheta de Los Santos from the city of Love.
Iloilo!
Saan yan sa? Ay, Iloilo, sorry. Okay. So, sa akin kasi dito kang talaga promise eh. Okay, Iloilo para folks. Si Ma'am Florence. In the city of Iloilo pala. Sorry guys. Okay. Alright, how about you, Ma'am? What is your name and where are you from?
I'm Arjeline Maduro from Manila, Calapan.
Ma'am Arjeline from Manay. Okay, Davao Oriental. Okay, from Iloilo and Manay. Okay, now, girls, are you ready? Alright, now, girls, we are Gentle Giants. And one more time, folks, this is our Gentle Giants. Ang mga Burmese Python with the scientific name of Typhoon Pipicatus.
Kaya mo yan!
Largest vicious snakes in the world because they can reach up to 24 feet long and 90 kilograms. So Fiona here is weighing about nasa 3 to 4 kilograms and Daniel here is nasa 8 to 9 kilograms. So now, sino muna?